Neon Money Talks app. So what is that? So make calls, make money. That's it. Neon is the app that pays you every time you talk on the phone. Phone companies profit of your data. Now you can too. You control when your data gets sold while leave money on the table. So Neon turns your phone calls into money making tool. Download Neon and start earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year from the conversations you're already making. Make 45 cents for every minute of phone conversation you have with other Neon users. Privacy first, we anonymize everything and redact any personal information. So that's important. And yeah, there are also like referral bonuses. Get $25 for every successful referral you make. Easy to use, just make calls through our app in order to get paid. Quick payouts, get paid in cash in minutes. So yeah, this is the idea of the app in here. So yeah, pretty cool idea overall. That yeah, you can get rewards. You can get paid maybe in crypto or so just for making calls and using this app for making calls instead of, for example, Messenger or Viber or FaceTime. Um, but as you can see, there are a lot of like fake reviews. Seems this app won't let to cash out, and the referral bonuses also don't work all the time. So seems this is kind of some kind of, I don't know how legit is this. You can see 2.7 out of 5 ratings, which are not legit, and this is just what you have. So this is just what it is at the moment. So it's just what you have, and I don't know how legit is that. So this is just what you have. But yeah, that's what it is.